On a quiet afternoon, when the sun leaned softly against the window and the world outside felt slower, there was a small basket sitting beside an old couch. Inside that basket lived a tangle of yarn, soft, colorful, and full of possibilities. A young girl once reached into that basket, not knowing that what she held in her hands would become more than just thread. It would become comfort, creativity, patience, and joy. Her grandmother watched quietly, smiling as the hook moved awkwardly at first, then steadier, then confident. That was the moment crochet stopped being just a craft and started becoming a story. And today, this story continues with you. Crochet is not just about loops and stitches. It is about imagination turning into something you can touch. It is about slowing down in a fast world. It is about creating beauty with your own hands, one stitch at a time. Whether you are new to crochet or someone who has been holding a hook for years, crochet ideas are endless, and every idea carries a little bit of magic. Let us begin with simple crochet ideas that feel like warm hugs. Scarves are often the first love of many crocheters. A scarf does not judge your mistakes, it flows with them. You can play with colors, textures, and patterns. A chunky scarf made with thick yarn feels bold and cozy, while a lightweight scarf whispers elegance. Every row tells a story of patience, and every finished scarf feels like a quiet victory. From scarves, crochet naturally moves into hats. Hats are small projects with big personality. Beanies, slouchy hats, ribbed caps, and textured winter hats allow creativity to shine without overwhelming the hands. A crochet hat can be playful with pom-poms or serious with clean lines. It can be made for warmth, style, or simply for joy. Making a hat feels like shaping comfort itself. Then come crochet blankets, the heart of crochet ideas. Blankets are more than projects, they are commitments. They grow slowly, stitch by stitch, often over weeks or months. Granny square blankets feel like memories sewn together, each square holding its own moment. Modern crochet blankets use geometric patterns, soft gradients, and minimal designs. A crochet blanket is not rushed. It teaches patience, and when finished, it becomes a legacy piece, something passed down, wrapped around loved ones, and remembered. Crochet ideas also bloom beautifully inside the home. Cushion covers transform a simple room into a cozy space. With crochet cushion covers, you can change moods by changing colors. Neutral tones bring calm, while bold colors add energy. Textured stitches create depth, making even simple furniture feel thoughtful and warm. These small touches show how crochet quietly changes spaces. Wall hangings are another creative crochet idea that blends art with craft. Crochet wall decor brings softness to walls and warmth to empty spaces. Using cotton yarns, wooden dowels, and fringe details, crochet wall hangings turn stitches into statements. They are perfect for adding personality to living rooms, bedrooms, or creative corners. Plants and crochet form a beautiful friendship. Crochet plant hangers elevate greenery while adding charm. They are practical, stylish, and endlessly customizable. From simple hanging loops to intricate macrame-inspired designs, crochet plant holders make nature feel more personal. Even crochet pots and plant covers can bring life to artificial or real plants alike. Crochet ideas extend gently into the kitchen. Dishcloths and scrubbers are small projects with big usefulness. They are eco-friendly, reusable, and perfect for beginners. Crochet coasters protect surfaces while adding handmade beauty to tables. A simple coaster can become a conversation starter, especially when guests realize it was made by hand. Crochet baskets are another idea that blends beauty with function. They help organize spaces while adding texture. Yarn baskets, toy baskets, laundry baskets, and storage bins show how crochet can be strong, practical, and stylish. Using thicker yarns or holding multiple strands together creates sturdy pieces that last. For those who love fashion, crochet clothing ideas open an exciting world. Crochet tops, cardigans, shawls, and vests allow self-expression. Lightweight summer tops feel airy and free, while cozy cardigans feel like wearable comfort. Crochet clothing is not about perfection, it's about uniqueness. Every piece carries the mark of its maker. Shawls deserve special attention because they tell stories with movement. A crochet shawl drapes softly, flows beautifully, and transforms simple outfits into elegant looks. Triangle shawls, crescent shawls, and rectangular wraps offer endless design possibilities. Playing with color changes creates visual poetry. Crochet bags are practical works of art. Tote bags, market bags, purses, and clutches show how crochet adapts to everyday life. A crochet market bag stretches gently, holding groceries while reducing plastic waste. Crochet handbags allow creativity through patterns, stitches, and handles. They feel personal, handmade, and meaningful. Amigurumi is one of the most joyful crochet ideas. Creating small stuffed toys brings smiles instantly. From animals to dolls to fantasy characters, amigurumi turns yarn into companions. Each piece feels alive, full of character and warmth. These toys often become keepsakes, gifts, and treasured items. Baby crochet ideas hold special emotion. Booties, blankets, hats, and toys carry love into every stitch. Baby items are often made with soft yarns and gentle colors, designed to comfort and protect. Crochet baby gifts feel deeply personal because they are made with care and intention. Holiday crochet ideas bring seasonal joy. Christmas ornaments, Easter decorations, Halloween pieces, and festive table decor make celebrations warmer. Crochet allows traditions to be handmade, turning holidays into experiences rather than just dates on a calendar. Crochet also plays a role in self-care. Making something with your hands reduces stress, calms the mind, and creates a sense of accomplishment. Crochet teaches patience, focus, and mindfulness. It reminds us that slow creation has value in a fast-paced world. One of the most beautiful crochet ideas is gifting. Handmade gifts speak louder than store-bought ones. A crochet gift carries time, thought, and love. Whether it's a scarf for a friend, a blanket for a family member, or a small item just to say, "I thought of you," crochet gifts create emotional connections. Crochet also supports sustainability. Reusable crochet items reduce waste. Cotton dishcloths replace disposable sponges. Crochet bags replace plastic ones. Even leftover yarn finds purpose in scrap projects. Crochet encourages thoughtful consumption and creative reuse. As skills grow, so do ideas. Textured stitches, color work, lace patterns, and modern designs push creativity forward. Crochet doesn't have limits, it evolves with its maker. Every new stitch learned opens doors to new projects. Crochet communities add another layer of joy. Sharing ideas, learning together, and celebrating finished projects creates connection. Crochet becomes more than a hobby. It becomes belonging. At its heart, crochet is storytelling. Each project begins as a simple idea and becomes something real. Each mistake becomes part of the design, and each finished piece carries hours of quiet dedication. The beauty of crochet ideas is that they meet you where you are. You do not need perfection. You only need yarn, a hook, and willingness to try. Crochet reminds us that beauty is built slowly, patiently, and with love. So the next time you pick up a hook, remember that it holds more than thread. It holds ideas waiting to become reality. It holds stories waiting to be told. And it holds the quiet magic of crochet, ready for your hands to bring it to life.